Finding or creating test questions can take a lot of time. Instead, here's a strategy that has the students do some of that heavy lifting. Each instructor provides a tutorial for their students about how to write good test questions. Then before each test, students are assigned to write one good question and include the answer for each learning objective. Let's say there are 10 learning objectives in this chapter. Then students turn in their 10 questions and answers. Next, students are put into, say, groups of 4, where they discuss and evaluate all their questions in order to determine which question is the best, making note of why, for each of the learning objectives. Each group turns in a document with their 10 best questions, with answers and their justifications. Then the instructor compiles their favorite student-created questions and sends out the test. This process can be used for each assessment in the course and provides the students with an active, challenging, and meaningful assignment that reinforces the content and saves the instructor time.